evening, Winston-Salem. I'm McNeal, Marketing and Communications Director with the City of Winston-Salem, and I am joined by Joshua Swift from the Forsyth County Department of Public Health to talk about the latest on COVID-19. Let's start with explaining kind of the state of COVID in our community. What can you tell us about that at this point?
Well, in the past 2 weeks, Ed, we have had a 224% increase in the number of COVID cases. So right now we're averaging 75 to 80 cases per day. We had 123 cases yesterday, 101 the day before. And to put this into comparison, the first week of July, we were having 6 and 7 cases per day. So after July 4th, about 4 or 5 days after July 4th, our numbers started going up, and it's been a steep increase.
Can you describe for us the people who are getting COVID now?
Well, it is the majority of people, 85, 90% are people that are unvaccinated. And we're also seeing at least a quarter of the cases are in people that are younger. We're seeing that's under 18.
Are we seeing people get positive COVID-19 tests who have taken the vaccine?
Yes, we have seen that as well.
Is that a surprise to you all?
Not necessarily, because we knew from the beginning that it was 95% effective. So again, the vaccine is meant to prevent hospitalizations and death. And hopefully the second part is it'll stop us from having COVID-19 at all, infections. But primarily it's about preventing hospitalizations and deaths. So yeah, I mean, there are going to be some breakthrough cases that occur, but if you have been vaccinated and then you later get COVID, it should be very mild. I mean, if it's 95% effective, that means 100 people get the vaccine, 5 are probably going to get COVID-19.
Right.
So, I mean, it's simple math, and you have so many people that have been vaccinated. In Forsyth County now, we're at 62% of adults have been partially vaccinated. So that's almost 200,000 people.
Yeah.
So you get numbers that big, you're going to have a few, just the sheer number of it.
Very good. Okay, I think I've caught up to speed on that now. So let's talk about what's happening this weekend. You guys are going to have vaccinations at the Bowman Gray Racing. Tell me about that.
So we're going to be at Bowman Gray from 5 to 8:30 this Saturday, offering the vaccine. First 100 people there will not only get the vaccine, but they'll be able to get a free ticket into the race.
All right. You all are doing more of this out in the community. Is that kind of what it feels like it takes right now?
Yes. I mean, we are trying to get out into the community as much as possible, going to churches, going to organizations, going to events, trying to make the vaccine available and accessible to everyone. Also, we're participating with the state. We have a gift card program. We had gift cards available. We were offering $100 per person on Wednesday, and we ran out. We did over 300 persons that came through to get their first dose.
When you all talk to people who are just getting it now, what are you hearing is their reason for waiting?
Some people have been hesitant because of the vaccine. Some people are because their employers are making them, but some people are really, I believe, concerned, and rightfully so, because of the Delta variant. They're seeing the cases go back up, and they want to be protected.
Joshua, thank you for your time. We appreciate it. And remember, folks, you can get more information at forsyth.cc/COVID update for the latest.